welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you part 2 of my gingerbread haul. Now if you guys haven't seen part 1, I will link it down below. You should definitely go check that one out. That one I got a ton of stuff. I have a lot of stuff here too, and we did shop at the same places. We went to Hobby Lobby, and then I've got stuff from Walmart, but I've got more like ornaments and more kitchenware, so if you guys want to see, then keep watching. Alright guys, let's jump right in. I'm going to start with Walmart because that's the place that I got the least amount of things, and it is like small ornament type of things. So first off, I found these two big, beautiful clay ornaments from Walmart, and they were $4.98 a piece. Very, very, very glittery and very large, as you can see. So here is the girl and here is the boy. Now if they have prices on it like these do, I will tell you. The Hobby Lobby stuff, as you guys know, it's half off, so whatever the price is, take half from that. All right, next up are these. I loved these because of the little like cookie cutter frame they have on them. These were $1.98 a piece, and again I got a boy and a girl. So he's got his little bow tie, she's got her little dress and bow on her head. I thought these were precious. I know Hobby Lobby has these, but I can never find them, so I found them at Walmart. Now I got a few little pastel gingerbread men. I am doing a pastel or a Candyland kind of themed tree as well. It is still going to have gingerbread in it, but it is going to be the pastel colors, so more like pinks and blues. So this guy is a little baker. He's got his little spatula there with some sprinkles on it. He was $1.98. And then I got two of these for some reason. That might have been an error on my part, but they are $1.98 a piece, and they are the little baking men. They've got the little rolling pin. These are all covered in glitter. As you can see, it's sticking to me, so just keep that in mind. And then I found these beauties. These were $1.98 a piece as well. Now they are like the little wooden spoon here. We've got the spatula, and then we've got a whisk. Now these are that clay material. They are bendable as well, but they are very, very cute. Next up is this little guy. He was $1.98 as well. Their ornaments seem to be all around that price. Thought he was cute with his bow. Now I loved this one. This looks like one of the DIYs I've made before. I will link my DIY videos from previous years down below. You guys should go check it out. I made some mini ornaments with the little bottle cap. So this is like a bottle cap ornament. He's got his lollipop and his scarf. Really cute, very glittery. All right, last few things. These are actually for a DIY, but I do have some of these on my little mini tree that I put in my kitchen. So I got some of these little red and white glitter candy canes. They were $2.48. I know they have multicolored ones as well. Oh, I found one more ornament. It is our little guy in a little coffee mug. How cute is that? It's like hot chocolate. Really precious, $1.98. So I found these guys. Now there is a little boy version. He is holding a candy cane or like a peppermint on a stick. I'm not really sure, a lollipop maybe, but I couldn't find him. These were $1.28 a piece. They are very glittery, and they're made of styrofoam, as you can hear. So they're definitely more sturdy than those clay ones. Next up, I found these little picks. Now I'm going to be using this for a DIY, but these are really cute if you want to put them in your tree. These little guys on there. They are made of plastic. Really, really cute. $2.98 a piece. All right, that is it for Walmart. We are going to move on to Hobby Lobby. So let's start with the pillows behind me here. I did get two of these. Now I wanted the one, I think it was last year, it was a little bit different and I couldn't get my hands on it, but I saw this one this year and I think they had it last year as well. It might be from previous years. Anyway, super cute. It's got the little, you know, red pom-poms on the top. It's got the gingerbread men and it's velvet and buttons. The details are incredible on this. And this was $27.99. Again, Hobby Lobby was half off. So I got two of these guys. Now I plan on using them here on my couch, maybe one on this side, maybe one on that side, or one in the middle. We'll see. Now this is everywhere. You can find these at most stores. It is a very, very good size. It was $21.99 and then half off of that, so not too bad. I think it came out to 10 bucks, something like that. So I got that. And then I should have got two of these, but my mistake. I really like it. It's soft. It's got velvet on the back. It's a little peppermint pillow. It was $19.99. This definitely was like 10 bucks, $9, something like that. So I got that. Okay, Hobby Lobby, let's see. I did get some more gingerbread houses. Now I did order this before I got my Sam's Club gingerbread house set. If you guys haven't seen that video, down below if you don't know what I'm talking about. But I did get some of these. Now Walmart had these in previous years, but they were like red and white, not all the green. But I thought these were so pretty. I got 2 of each. So this one's got the wreath, the Santa, the tree. It was $19.99, so they were $9 a piece. Little snowman with the candy on the house. That is so, so cute. So I got 2. I will probably put these on top of my kitchen cabinet this year. I think I'm gonna do things a little bit different. So you guys should definitely stay tuned. I will link my gingerbread decorate with me's from years past down below so you guys can go see what I did and then stay tuned for what I'm going to do because I'm definitely gonna go in a different direction this year. All right, next up, I got 3 of these little houses. Now these do light up. How cute. And these were a good price, $16.99, but again, covered in glitter. I'm gonna have it all over me, all over my face, but they are really, really precious. So $16.99 and then half off. We got the gingerbread man and the Christmas tree. I love this big, big bow. And then we got the Santa with the ornament and then the little snowman with the coffee mug, I think, or a present. Maybe it's a present. I love the little bows on the roof. So cute. $16.99 each. Now Hobby Lobby had so many houses to choose from this year, it was hard to pick, but I kind of went with the least expensive just so I could get more, if that makes sense. I'm trying to build my gingerbread house collection, and it does take time because these pieces are very, very pricey, as you guys know. So don't stress, take your time, collect it over the years. If you guys have seen my gingerbread decorate with me's, you'll know I have a ton and I bought even more. I'm slowly building it. So I've got a really great collection now, and every year I will add to it. It's kind of getting out of control, but that's how much I love gingerbread. So I know you guys do too. So that's why I like to share my finds with you guys. I know you guys will run out and buy them just like me. I see new stuff and I'm out there at the store right away or online. So all right, next up is this candy cane lane. It was $7.99, super good deal, half off. It is made out of metal, so it's a good size. Now this one I have been looking for years and I can never find it online, in store. I never had any luck, and then they brought it out maybe 2 weeks ago online. I haven't seen it in stores, so I grabbed it immediately, and it is this cutting board. I love how big it is. I'm sure you guys know, you've probably seen this, you might even have it yourself, but I had to have it. I love it so, so much. All right, next up is this tree skirt. It's like a velveteen or maybe even like some kind of felt, and it's got embroidery on it. It's got the candy cane, the Christmas present, the gingerbread man. I don't want to open it up, but you can kind of see here what's on it. We've got a stocking as well. This was $19.99. Now I am going to be making my own tree skirt. I did not think I was going to find a gingerbread one. I found some on Amazon, but they were like $60 and it's just too expensive. And then I found this, but I'm still going to make one. You guys should stay tuned. It is going to be a DIY and it's going to be super, super inexpensive. Very, very affordable, so stay tuned for that. All right, next up is this garland. Now it's not gingerbread per se, except for the coloring. I do love it because it does look like a gingerbread cookie or a snowflake to some, but it looks like a cookie to me. So I got this little garland and it was $9.99. And then I got another one of these peppermint garlands. I got 2 in my previous haul, so I had to get another one. All right, next up is this red ladder. I love these ladders so much. It was $11.99, half off. I do have a black one in my kitchen now for Halloween and for every day, but I am gonna be putting like my gingerbread towels, my garlands, all that fun stuff on there. So I got that. All right, next up are these 2 beautiful wreaths. These were $7.99 a piece. They are flocked. They don't seem to be shedding or anything, which is great. I am gonna be making DIYs with these, so stay tuned. And then I got this cutting board. I already have one. I forget what the one I already have says, but I know it's different. But it says, and to all a good bite. It has a mouthful for a minute. But it was $3.99. And I'm gonna be using this in my DIY. Then I found this candy canes sign. Very, very pretty, $3.49, very simple, perfect for a tier tray, which again, another video I'm gonna be making. I'm gonna be making like 3 or 4 different tier tray options so you guys can see. We'll be doing like a gingerbread, a Santa, an elf, and then a Grinch tray. So definitely stay tuned if you guys like your tier trays like I do. All right, next up, Christmas calories don't count and gingerbread kisses and holiday wishes. These are 2 little cutting boards and they were, let's see, $5.99. Sorry, I couldn't see it. I saw these and I had to have them. Of course, I got that other gingerbread cutting board before these, but like I said before in my other video, I have such a problem. I can't stop buying gingerbread stuff. It's just, I want everything in the store. Everything, everything. Michael's just came out with their stuff. I'm getting ready to place an order. Joann's I placed an order. Like, it's out of control. I know, it's insane. My husband's gonna be regretting it, but it's just, it brings me so much joy. I love decorating for the holidays, especially for Christmas. My daughter just loves it. My son, who's gonna be 2, I just love to make it magical for them and whimsical and just inviting and just how I remember it as a kid. So that's why I spend as much as I do and I put as much effort as I do, because I just enjoy it so much. So I know you guys are just like me and you understand. Okay, last 2 things are candles. They are so precious. They are like a cream red and green with the red and white twine. And it's got a little key on there with the gingerbread man and a little note, and it says, "Santa's key, dear Santa, in case you can't fit down the chimney, we left you our Christmas key." Oh, how cute is that? So I got these 2. I'm gonna leave the tag on there. I just think it adds something cute and whimsical to the, you know, to the look. But these were $8.99 a piece, half off. Actually, I found a few craft things and some picks, and then we'll get into the kitchenware stuff. So I found these picks. Now, I got these back in August, I think, when they first put the stuff out, because now you can't find them. So good luck if you guys want these. Check your stores, check online. They are $3.99 a piece, and they are the little gingerbread men, nice and heavy duty. One has a scarf, one has a bow, and they come on a little red stick, but they were $3.99 a piece. Next is this ladder. I love these for my tier tray. This is the Merry Little Christmas line for the kids, you know, the mini Christmas ornaments and stuff. But it's got a little sign that says Merry Christmas. Love that. And I got some of these bamboo wooden spoons. These are always good to have for crafts. This was $4.99. Then I got some peppermints from the My Little Christmas brand, $4.99 as well. Great for crafts or even just little decorative pieces. Last but not least is this little stocking. It does match the Christmas tree skirt that I got. Thought it was precious for a tier tray. It was $4.99, half off. All right, now is the fun stuff, the kitchen stuff. This is where it all originated, was the Gingerbread Kitchen. Now that's why I've got so many pillows this year, because I am gonna be kind of bringing it into the living room. I wasn't gonna do it, then I was like, oh, maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. I was so back and forth, but I have that much gingerbread stuff that I can just focus on gingerbread, dining room, living room, kitchen, bathroom even, you know, entryway, everything gingerbread. So I got on a tangent there, but I did find this table runner. They do have placemats to match, but I thought it was a little too matchy-matchy for me personally, but you do you. I'm sure it'll look great. But I found this, and it is the gingerbread, you know, color with the stitching. It is absolutely beautiful work. The hand, I don't know if it's hand done, but just incredible, incredible embroidery here. And this was $28.99, so a little pricey. But I think it's going to be beautiful. Maybe I'll put it on my dining room table there. It is going to be more Candyland colors back there, but this is very neutral. I can definitely add the pops of pastel and it'll be so, so pretty. So I got that. Now how cute is this, guys? I had a gingerbread mitt from Kohl's and I got it on eBay because I could not find it in the store. I wanted it so bad. And then I found this this year. He is even cuter. Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm not going to use him. He's more to prop up with my cutting boards and stuff. But he's just so adorable. And it was $8.99. Again, the embroidery is so, so nice. Hobby Lobby impresses me every single year, truly. All right, then I found these cute little tongs. Look at these tongs. Oh, they're so cute. They're rubber, so you can take them off and they'll be easy to clean. It's got the gingerbread color base. They open, and this was $7.99. I'm going to be putting it in my utensil holder, which I'm going to do a DIY on that. Make a red and white candy stripe pencil holder. Did I say pencil holder? Sorry guys, utensil holder. So that's going to go in there, along with this spatula. This is the, I think the boy version. There is a girl version. I think she's wearing like a dress or something, but there's 2 different ones. I picked the boy, and it was $5.99. So I got those 2. All right, next few things. Love these spoons. I could not find them last year or the year before. Found them this year. Did not see them in the store, but they did have them online. I love these little wooden spoons for my coffee bar. which coffee bar, we're gonna do a gingerbread theme and then a Grinch theme, so you guys should stay tuned. I'm actually gonna film a Grinch haul for that video along with my Grinch tree. It's a Grinch coffee bar, Grinch tree haul, so that is gonna be coming up after this video. I'm gonna film it the same day, so you guys will see me in the same clothes, but it's okay. We all know some people film multiple videos in a day, and with kids, you got to. And then the next thing I got was this gingerbread man cookie cutter set. This I could use, but I think I'm gonna use this for a DIY. So I got those. And then I found these peppermint swirl napkins for my coffee bar. These are good for gingerbread and Grinch. All right, next up is this soap dispenser. I've seen this year after year, and I've always said, oh, it's so cute, I want it, and I never get it. I got it this year. It was $16.99. This will go in my kitchen. And I found this little cute little espresso mug. I got him for my little tier tray. I thought he was so cute and tiny, and it was $4.99. All right, these next three items, they're actually the last three, but these were the whole reason why I placed another order. I wanted them so bad. I saw them online, they were out of stock, and it was like, notify me. I put notify me as soon as they came back in stock, boom, I bought them along with that cutting board sign. So it is this cute little mug. Oh, it's so cute. It's got the little top. It's got the plastic on here so it doesn't come off when you're, obviously when it's being shipped. So I'm not going to take it off, but it was $14.99 and it is a really big one, but I thought it was so cute. Next is this jar. How cute is this jar? Oh, I love it so much. Look at the detail, all the dots, the peppermint, the hinge. It's so, so nice. It's actually a good size too. Me probably not going to use it for cookies. Might put candy in there. We'll see, but I got that. This was $17.99. And last but certainly not least is this little gingerbread house butter dish. Oh, it's so cute. I love it so, so much. Again, not going to use it for butter. I love my stuff too much to potentially ruin it with actual food items, but got that. So cute. All right, guys, that is my haul. I know I got way too much stuff. That's the story of my life. Gingerbread has taken over, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, I did film another gingerbread haul. That will be down below. Go check it out. I am not going to try to link any of this stuff because it's mostly sold out. It's best to just go to the store. That's kind of what I did. Or when it did come back in stock, I bought it right away because if you wait, it will sell out. It's such a hard thing to do and to keep up with, but if you want it, you definitely should go out and look for it. But if you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Lets me know you guys are enjoying my content. And I guess I will see you in my next video, which will probably be another haul or maybe a DIY. We'll see. Bye, guys. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.